In the not-so-distant future, a world much like our own, fundamentally different, exists. Laws of physics, once thought to be immutable, have begun to behave erratically. In certain regions, gravity, the force that keeps us grounded, has started to defy its own rules. Gravitational anomalies have created strange phenomena, such as levitation, localized time dilation, and gravitational waves with mysterious patterns. This is a tale from that world told by an unknown observer. In the heart of a bustling city, where skyscrapers kissed sky and the hum of life was a constant, the first anomaly occurred. It was an ordinary, with people going about there, when suddenly, a small park in the city center began to levitate. Trees, benches, even a small pond, all lifted off the ground, floating in mid-air, as if suspended by invisible strings. The sight was both terrifying. The city came to a standstill, its inhabitants staring in awe and fear at the spectacle before them. Scientists from all over the world flocked to the city, their curiosity piqued inexplicable phenomenon. They set up their eyes-glued park, trying to decipher the mystery. But the park remained suspended, oblivious to the flurry of activity around it. Days turned into weeks, and the floating park became a part of the city's landscape. People grew accustomed to the sight, their fear replaced by fascination. The park was cordoned off, a spectacle for the world to see, a testament to the strange times they were living in. The park was just the beginning. Soon, anomalies began to appear. In a small town nestled in, to behave strangely, clocks would slow down and speed at, days would stretch into weeks, and weeks would shrink into hours. The town's inhabitants found themselves living in a constant state of flux, their lives dictated by the whims of time. In another part of the world, a sleepy seaside village was hit by a series of strange gravitational waves. These waves created mysterious patterns in the sand, patterns that seemed to change and evolve with each wave. The villagers watched in awe as the patterns took on complex shapes, their beauty belying the strange force that created them. As these anomalies continued to occur, the world was thrown into chaos. Scientists struggled to understand the phenomena, their theories and hypotheses falling short. Governments tried to maintain order, their efforts often thwarted by the unpredictable nature of the anomalies. People lived in a state of constant uncertainty, their lives disrupted by the erratic behavior of gravity. But amidst the chaos and uncertainty, there was also the anomalies, as disruptive as they were, had about a sense of awe and fascination. People marveled at the floating park, the time-dilated town, and the patterned beach. They shared stories and theories, their imaginations ignited by the strange phenomena. In the end, the world adapted. The anomalies became a part of everyday life, their strangeness no longer a source of fear, but of fascination. Scientists continued their research, their quest for understanding unyielding. Governments found ways to manage the anomalies, their efforts resulting in new laws and regulations. And the people, they learned to live with the unpredictable, their lives forever behavior of gravity. This is the world of the future, a world where gravity behaves erratically, where the laws of physics are as once thought. It is a world of chaos and uncertainty, but also of wonder and fascination. It is that awaits us, a world that is both terrifying and as we move towards this future, we can only wonder what mysteries await us, what other anomalies we will encounter. One thing is certain, is a place of endless possibilities, a place where even gravity can defy its own laws. Subscribe.